Dibac Professional has an advanced selection feature which will let you select the objects of the drawing by their attributes or ID. To do this, go to Utilities, Selection, and select by Attributes Objects. In this window, I can see all the elements and attributes used in the project in a hierarchy format. Inside the Item section, I can see all the objects in the drawing. In the Block section, I can see the ID of the existing blocks. The same goes for the joineries, dimensions, walls and partitions, text, and so on. Okay, imagine you want to change the color of all the joineries of the project. Instead of selecting one by one, I can click on the joinery section. I could specify a type of door or window if I wanted to, but let's just click on joineries to select all of them. Now I have to select the geometry that will be affected with the selection function. In this case, I want to select the joineries of the whole floor plan, so I select all of it and then right-click to confirm. As you can see, Dibac automatically selects all the joineries, and now I can change their color. I can also make combined selections. For example, let's do it with the text and dimensions of the project. For this, open the selection window and click on both elements while you hold the Ctrl key. Now click OK, select all the floor plan, and then right-click with the mouse. Dibac will highlight the text and dimensions inside the selected region, and now I could, for instance, change the color. I can increase the level of complexity of the selection function. In this example, I can, for instance, select the shower block, the doors, and dimensions. I click OK, select all the floor plan, and right-click with the mouse. As you can see, this can be a very handy tool to speed up the selection process. Finally, we can also select the objects depending on its attributes, such as color, line style, or line thickness. In this case, I select the magenta color. This way, every element of the project drawn with this color line will be selected.